Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you specific types of pages. We start with the so-called loyalty card. With a loyalty card, your app users can collect points and later exchange them for a service or a gift, similar to what you know from other point collecting systems. Click on Add Page, and select the loyalty card. As you can see in the app preview, 9 points can now be collected. The principle works like this. A customer who has installed your app buys something in your shop and calls up the loyalty card. Now he clicks on Collect Points. As you can see, a QR code now appears that you can scan in with your own smartphone. Now you get to a page on which you can specify how many points you would like to award for the purchase. Then you have to enter a PIN. After you have confirmed this, your customer has received the points. If your customer has reached the maximum number of points, he can click on Redeem Points on the loyalty card. A QR code will now appear again, which you can scan. After entering the PIN and confirmation, the points are redeemed and you can give your customer a little gift. So that your customers know when they can come to a store to redeem points, there is a special type of page, the opening hours. Let's add this page to your app once. As you can see, you can set your opening hours here, and the customer can see at a glance when your shop is open in the app. You can use the Map page type to display a map with marked locations. For example, you can use it to mark all places that are important for your company, such as branches or offices. Let's add a card to your app once. You can now add individual places under Locations. Let's set up 2 locations as a test. To do this, click on Add Location. Here you can now enter a name, the description, and specify a location. After we have saved, the marker for this location will appear on the map. When a user clicks on it, a small pop-up appears from which he can jump directly to his route planner. Let's add another location nearby. As you can see, both places are now visible. The app user can of course also move, zoom in or out on the map. Let's continue with RSS News. RSS is an internet standard that is responsible for querying news. For example, if you have a website with blog posts that supports RSS, you can view your current posts live in your app. Let's add an RSS page. You can enter an RSS URL in the according field. In our example, we use this URL. As you can see, all available news entries are now displayed in our app and opened after a click. The Twitter page works in a similar way. Here you can view your last tweets directly in your app. In the Twitter name field, you can either enter a so-called Twitter handle, starting with an @ symbol, or a hashtag. As you can see, the corresponding tweets are loaded in the app and can be opened with one click. That's it. Have fun and see you next time.